Hi everybody. Just wanted to make a quick video to touch base with you about our upcoming midterm practicums. I was looking at the appointments today and realizing that I think there's a lot of confusion. So I wanted just to show you what I was talking about. I'm going to the appointment sign up on the Google Doc, and we'll take a look at it here, where you see I have pushed everything back for a week. We're supposed to have some tomorrow, but you'll see I made some changes and updated the document here, where now they're not going to start until March the 2nd. The whole idea with the midterm practicum is that it's very similar to the baseline, but there's one significant change, and that is that you have a partner. And so I specified it in the directions, but you see that the appointment times are color coded. And so the idea is for people to sign up for the same slot, like right here. And I know these will change, but I didn't delete anything that was already up there besides the dates. But like right here, I have a student that signed up for Monday, March the 2nd at 11 o'clock. So the idea is that if you're available and that time works for you, then I need for another student to partner. So one person will take the time to be the interviewer, and one person will take the time to be the client, and then you'll switch roles during that session. And we can do those virtually or face-to-face. Now, if you have a student that has, like right here, that is a face-to-face student, and you can do it face-to-face, then you need to make sure that it pairs up. But we have to have everyone matched up. So please, and the idea is for you to reach out to one another and to practice before the practicum comes. That's what we do in our face-to-face classes, and the expectation is the same even in our online classes. That doesn't mean that you have to meet up at Dunkin' Donuts or meet on campus or anything. You can still do it virtually, just like we did with our baseline interviews. So I wanted just to clarify that. So for each color-coded block, there should be another student, 2 students for each block. You cannot do this on your own. You cannot bring a friend. This has to be with another student. It cannot be a family member. It has to be another student. So that's why that is designed this way. So over here, I have Rashila. Then she'd like to do it at 1 p.m. and she's available virtually. So I need another student that can do it virtually at this time to sign up during this slot. I hope that this clarifies some things. I am still working on your videos and reviewing your videos for your questions lab. I hope that went well for you guys, and I just wanted to check in with you guys and make sure that we were on the same page. Again, I have pushed back your midterm practicums by a week. We should be finished with our midterm practicums no later than Wednesday the 11th. Hope you're having a great weekend, and if you have any questions, just reach out to me. Thanks a lot.